in the classes, right or wrong? How is the Josh? Good. Before I start the lecture for Chandrayaan 3, see, I may be the face of Chandrayaan team, but one thing what I want to convey to the younger generation is ISRO's achievement is a team achievement. It's not by individual. We are only a representation of the achievements. So this success, behind every success, there is a team which is working day and night for any mission to be successful. That is our motto and our objective of ISRO, which is inculcated in everybody's nature and behavior to work as a team. So I request all of you also to work as a team more than as an individual. Okay, shall we go into the lecture? Yeah. Chandrayaan 3, before I go to the Chandrayaan 3, the emphasis before I go to Chandrayaan 3, what I want to convey is our Indian space program covers a multiple segments, or we have different types of satellites, which morning you have seen the lecture by our sir, which are the application side. But for any application to be met, we should have a sensor, a payload, what we call, for different objectives. Apart from that, our sensor or payload should be flown on a satellite. So that satellite should be launched by a launch vehicle. So what happens is we have launch vehicles carrying out different weights, different launch weight capabilities, starting from SSLV to LBM-3, which varies from 500 kg of total spacecraft mass to 4,000 kgs of class. We use appropriately our launch vehicles for that purpose, and we have almost launched around 1 or 2 these, because NISR, which was latest launch, we are not included. So it's 1 or 2 missions we have done till now. So and one more thing is satellites wise, we have totally different class of satellites covering from remote sensing to geostationary satellites, weather prediction satellites, weather monitoring we can call, and some high resolution imaging satellites. Many class of satellites are there. Apart from that, we have also demonstrated 2 recovery missions like SRE, and recently for Gaganyaan we done, because Gaganyaan program requires re-entry of the crew module. So we have done another experiment. So these are 2 recovery module experiments. Apart from that, we have different applications was covered by sir. So I will not dwell much upon that. And we, apart from our own needs of launching to space applications as a whole basket of requirements, what we require, we are doing indigenously. Atmanirbharta. We don't depend on anybody. So we do ourselves, whole design, accomplishment of the objectives of the mission, everything. But we also support foreign launches. We launch around 431 satellites of 34 countries. So this is our ISRO's journey till date. Apart from that, now I will be covering about that the emphasis on moon missions. See, our journey started with Chandrayaan 1. Till that time, we never ventured into an interplanetary mission, because we are always around the Earth only. Our major objectives were orbiting a satellite around the Earth, doing the applications and defining the requirements. But when we attempted Chandrayaan 1, that was very critical, because